Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. The characterization of the genetic variability of different species is very important for the conservation of a given species. Various methods have been made and used in the measurement of genetic diversity within different species. This ranges from genetic to morphological markers. One of the crops of interest for studies are the members of the Passiflora genus, or the Passionfruit. There are approximately 520 species of Passionfruit, and currently Colombia and Brazil grow approximately 170 and 150 species respectively. Dr. Carlos Moreno will attempt to archive this data on the subject. And here are the results. The passionfruit genus occupies a wide distribution, with approximately 96% of the passionfruit species found in tropical and subtropical regions, and the majority of this 96% is found in South America. The nations of Colombia and Brazil have approximately 170 and 150 passionfruit species, respectively. Fewer species are found outside of the tropical Americas. Despite the wide variety of species found in Brazil, those species are at the greatest risk of extinction. The species that are highly specialized to specific environments are species that are more at risk for extinction. The names of a few of these species that are at higher risk of extinction can be seen on screen right now. The wide morphological variability across and among passionfruit species is one of the most striking features within this genus. This encompasses both interspecific and intraspecific variation. All this variability is related to the wide geographical distribution of this genus, and the variations are the product of the different species and subspecies adapting to specific environments and its corresponding stressors, and botanical opportunities for pollination and seed distribution. On the disease side of things, there's a great deal of variation found in this genus. This includes resistance to anthracnose, woodiness virus, scab, fusarium, and bacterial blight. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below. Using genetic markers, one can more easily identify the size of a gene pool. As of right now, fewer than 15% of the passionfruit species have been analyzed using this tech, and had their results published. This is because the genetic markers for wild and commercial passionfruit species were not developed until 2012. Of the species that were analyzed, it was found that despite the high morphological variability within different species, the genetic data found that most species have a low to moderate genetic variability. Even still, right now, the main challenge in the conservation of this genus, both in terms of commercial and wild passionfruit, is the absence of phenotypic and genetic markers for the categorization of genetic diversity. This right now is the main challenge for obtaining information regarding the genetic variability of different species and how to incorporate this information into current breeding programs and conservation efforts. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching.